Get started with the 5 tips to grow on YouTube Shorts. Tip number 1, show don't tell. You should always be using footage to explain your point, because if you're not keeping the viewer engaged, then they're gonna scroll away or click away. In today's day and age, people don't want to be bored. We have an instant gratification society and system, so you have to be putting out engaging and meaningful content. Some sort of reward for watching your content, be it happy feelings or education, then they're not gonna wanna watch it. But even if you're giving them the best information possible, if they're bored watching it because it's just you sitting there poorly lit or speaking in a monotone to grab their attention, to keep them engaged in their brain guessing as to what's coming next or what's happening next, then they won't want to stick around. So this can be as simple as a change in camera. It can be a quick zoom in, or maybe switching to a B camera if you have that. Or it can be on-screen visuals, B-roll, memes, text even. Tip number 2, consistency. You have to be posting somewhat consistently. If you're not being consistent with your posting, if you only post once every 6 months, then nobody's gonna stick around, nobody's gonna subscribe, and the people who do subscribe are not even gonna remember you or know who you are the next time they see your video. So shoot for probably 3 to 5 videos a month minimum in shorts. You could get away with maybe 1 long video a month. Consistency is also really important with the YouTube algorithm, because the algorithm is trying to please its viewers. It's not trying to promote you. However, if your video matches a type of video that viewers are engaging with and liking, that a certain viewer, any given viewer, likes, watches, and it's in that same category, that same type of video, then YouTube is going to show that video to that viewer. And if that viewer then watches another one of your videos, then you've just earned your videos, your content, your channel. It's going to earn you a higher place in the YouTube algorithm, so that your videos then are more likely to be recommended to that viewer and other viewers who share similar interests and watch patterns. Tip number 3, use hooks. If you're unfamiliar with hooks, hooks are the intro to your video. It's the thing that hooks your viewer into your content and makes them want to watch more, makes them ask, oh, what is this about? Or say, oh, that's really interesting, I want to know more about that. Some examples are these.
I just found a website with all of those transitional opening hooks.
What is one thing that all viral...
Watch this quick YouTube short sharing some examples of stellar hooks.
Viral hooks for Instagram. What the hell is going on in X?
What the hell is going on in Canada right now?
The number 1 mistake new X makes.
The number 1 mistake new salespeople make.
Did you like X?
Would you like internet speeds that are 4.5 million times faster?
Famous person just made a huge mistake.
Logan Paul just made a huge mistake calling out this brand.
What are some weird things people don't know about X?
What's some weird things people don't know about teeth?
Choose everlasting topics. There are many topics for YouTube videos or any content that are everlasting. They never die. People are always interested in them. They always have viewers. They always have people who want to learn about that topic, and you can choose those topics, and then those videos are more likely to be everlasting content, evergreen content, where the green is money, revenue for you. People are always going to be interested in them, or always need to know that information, and make videos about that, because those videos could cause a domino effect and all of your content starts getting pushed to people because you made content that is in high demand and you made it in good quality. Tip number 5, leverage AI tools to ease your workload. If you're looking to be a YouTuber or a content creator, but you don't have a lot of time to dedicate to it or the skills, and you just want to get started and see what's out there and learn a bit about it, you can actually make really good money without showing your face and without doing hardly any work, just using AI. The best AI tool that you can use to generate entire videos for you for YouTube Shorts or Instagram or TikTok is Bith.ai. Bith.ai is an online video generator, and it's super easy to use. All you have to do is go to Bith.ai, select the video generator tool, input a video topic prompt, select a few settings, generate a script, review the script, and then it'll generate images and voiceover and text. You review all that, make sure it's exactly to your liking, and then you press export, and it'll export the video ready for use on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, wherever you want to put it.
This intriguing phenomenon is known as the red car theory, a captivating concept in psychology. It explains how our brains become attuned to new information.
All of this takes less than 2 minutes of your time. And then when it's done, it only takes about 60 seconds to upload it on whichever platform you want to post to. So use your passion, your interest in content creation, use Bith.ai and get started today. You can generate an entire month's worth of videos in just an hour using Bith.ai, schedule them all to post, and you're off to the races. You've already got started. And as those videos go live, keep an eye on the metrics and the analytics, see what does well and what doesn't. See which things you can change about the scripts when they're generated so that the video does better. See which ideas, which prompts work the best, and then follow that plan and continue to create content. Bith.ai has many users who use it daily to upload videos and generate revenue, generate income, getting millions of views and supporting themselves through content creation with AI. Let me know in the comments down below if you found this video helpful and what content you would like to see in the future. Go ahead and drop a like on the video if you enjoyed it. If any of it was useful or helpful to you, you should definitely like the video. Please, it helps out. Share it with a friend maybe, and we'll see you in the next video.